But of course, every day, until whatever age I will always be a student because every day is a learning process. So firstly, it's so good to see all of you come up with so much curiosity, so much, willingness to learn new things. Because to be honest, you might be shocked. This is also my one debut, my organization's debut. Because before this, I never even visited one organized session, or I haven't seen how it goes. This is for the first time that I am visiting something like this. It is going to be a different experience for me. But then it is also a similar experience because this has become a daily activity for us too. We initiated an organization called Root. If you know, and if you don't know, it is a news organization that is completely youth driven. The basic idea is that when I was in school, we had problems, we wanted to speak up, we had good auditors, good writers among us, but the problem was we didn't have any platform at that time. The idea was to create a community, and with that basic ambition or vision, we tried to inculcate the idea of the youth-driven concept of running an organization that particularly operates in the news platform. And I feel Model United Nation is a perfect way of curbing individuals or orators who might excel in the field of news making, because at the end today we are filled with information, but the only problem is manipulation. We often say, we often give the title to a good speaker as a good orator. But what is the motive of an orator? Is he speaking the truth, or is he just manipulating with his words? It is very much important at today's time to understand how to be media literate, because we have too much information in our hands with the help of our phone, of course. But then the idea is to filter information that we need that is true. I feel the motive behind this Model United Nation will also be to convey the idea of seeking the truth, and truth is universal. We do not have one truth, there can be multiple truths, but the idea is to seek that one truth that might help you or the society as a whole to excel. I won't make my speech long. I hope this experience will be a memorable one for you. Try to make the best out of it, and once this particular program is completed, stay in touch, build a community, because what we need in Assam right now is a strong community of youth. We are scattered, we need to inculcate, we need to bring ideas together, and that is where the change will begin. So I hope this program will bring a lot of changes in your life as well. Plus, of course, schools are a place where we are meant to see changes, because we have around 100 and thousands of people around us, be it the teachers, students, or the non-working staff, that might inspire us in every different way. Thank you so much once again for inviting. I look forward to learning a lot of new things from you, and also to inculcate these ideas of changes in our society starting right